Right. Oh. How you? Hey! Huh? Hey? Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Okay, hold on. Hey? Aha! So, it just failed to print. Let's see why. Oh! Oh! Oh, that's nice. That's... Oh. Oh dear! If you're wondering what's going on, guys, I forgot to bring the tripod, so yeah, and 3D printer has decided to act up. XYZ have decided to stop support for this printer, by the looks of it, and I do have another pad. Maybe I'll do that, because I'm only printing a small thing. There we are. It's an enclosed environment anyway, isn't it? just turned the internal light off as I needed it to stick this down. Genius. I mean, that's square, right? Okay. Utilities, home axes. Yes. Let's go for bright green. That's a fun colour, isn't it? I'm going to put you there because this will be interesting because I know that it doesn't always work this. I just had a groan. Is change spool. Load filaments. Right. This is a real tit to do it like on this printer, so you just jam it in there. I was trying. Oh, for f***'s sake. It's not doing it. It's not doing the thing. At least the heating element's working, but the stepper motor that sucks the filament through, that's not working. So that's great. I think there's something jamming it. Tits. You know. Right, I'm gonna... Is there something jamming it? I can't see because I can't... Oh, maybe I can pull the side off. I don't know. I wasn't supposed to do that. Never mind. Yeah, the motor is moving. All I want to do is pretty little Prezi.
And do the Harlem Shake.
Oh, that really doesn't want to turn. That's not good. Okay, it's telling me to insert filaments. Maybe it was trying to reverse, and I was being a dick and not doing. Is this still? Yeah, this is recording still. Good. Been there, and I was being a fool. It's just not very clear instructions on the screen. It tells you load filament, okay, and all of a sudden the stepper motor starts running. And you're like, F***. But hold on, right. Okay, we've loaded our neon green filament into the doodah. Loading. Oh, it's pulling it through. Oh no, it did. Just about. It's trying. It's really trying. It's like it's stuck on something. Oh no. Yes! Yes! I got it! It just keeps skipping. It's going, it's going, it's going! Yes! It's just slightly askew, but it's going in now. Look. Oh. That's how far it made it. To retry, press this. Okay, it's going again. It's keep going. It's going. It's going. It's going. Focus. Look at the thing. Don't read prototype. Look at this. Look at this. Look, it's moving. It's very slow though. It's got all of this pipe to go. But it does mean I'll be able to print a bastard. Oh, there it goes. That's faster. There's some weird contaminant in the pipe, so that's going to go through the extruder, but, you know, hey, there it goes, look at that. Oh, you can't see anything. Oh, you look at that. It's like my nose when I had COVID. Amazing. Just fall apart. Baby, we can make it from heart to heart. And we nothing's gonna stop us. So these are just a load of old stickers that I really I've accumulated, and these are the ones that are left over that I don't know. So this one, Jimson Stuff Handmade. I don't know if it's a YouTube channel or it's a company, because I got this from Maker Central 2018 and it's been sitting in a bag of stickers that I've never used, and it's a nice sticker, but I don't know who Jimson is. Probably lovely, but for all I know, he's a tit. Future Charlie, look up Jimson now. Either way, Jimson, you're going on a wooden beam above my head. Fuck. Oh, yes, I like that. Oh, that's bright. That's really bright. That is. Yes.